What's up, man? Hey,
These Marta Bus passengers knew a freight train was heading straight toward them. They heard the train's horn, and they could see that the back end of this bus was still sitting on the train tracks. As the train got closer and the bus driver didn't move, all 5 passengers got up and barely made it off. The bus driver was knocked out of his seat, passengers tripping over each other, desperately trying to escape. This man barely made it, but was hit with the bus door and knocked to the ground. One woman limped away, looked back at the train that almost killed her, and fell to the ground again. The bus driver was the only person actually on the bus when the train collided, and even he got up and walked away.